Welcome to my modest home.
Right now I'm in this really cool house in the Bonnie Brae neighborhood in Denver that is part of the Children's Hospital raffle. It's a little bit of an early cocktail hour here, so added bonus for me. And this is the top floor, which I think is the third? I've lost count. I think it's the fourth floor. We are in the very top reaches of this house that somebody's gonna win and get some bonus cash as part of the process. And I gotta tell you, it's an awesome house.
I think this house comes with me. From now until the time they give it away, I'm just sitting right here. So if you win, know that you're getting a new best friend. My beauty and the Beast. Tale as old as time. Hi, G-Man. You're the Beast.
Hey, Alan. I am the Beast, and you're the beauty.
Oh, well, obviously. Hi.
Apparently you followed your cue there, didn't you, pal?
I did.
So one of the really great features of the house, I mean there are a lot of great features, but the kitchen is absolutely fantastic. It's like a chef-ready sort of kitchen. It's really amazing what you can do in this kitchen. This is an example. Show you here. See? Fantastic.
Gee, Mike, thanks. You're a great cook. So this shower has two shower heads. One right here, and another one right over here. And you know what that's used for. This is a dirty shower. I forgot my shower number.
Night, Mr. Bunny. Night, Mr. Deer.
Is there a reason why I have to sleep in the bathroom? This house is like 100 beds. So one of the coolest things about this house is it has 3 bars. And I know when I buy a house, I want at least 3 bars along with it. Plus, yet another wine fridge. Oh, with cool lighting in it too. Yeah, like I never keep that stuff. I don't know, it's just got everything a girl can need.
That's great, but you know what a guy could need? A guy could need a beer, like the beer he asked for like 20 minutes ago, and it's only from there to here. It just doesn't seem like it should be that complicated. So